Hello guys, Shit Gameplays, I'm Fabio Pisco and welcome to my channel. As for today's video we have a small unboxing of the reference, because it is a reference, SAPPHIRE RX 7900 XTX. And before you thinking about it, I can tell you right away that AMD did not send this card. They didn't say they wouldn't send one, they just said that I actually had to wait. Yes, I had to wait after the card was released, and I was like, well, okay, what can I do actually? So I bought one with my own money. And I repeat, I would never buy a card as expensive as this one if I did not have this channel, okay? I bought it to test because I didn't even need more performance in most games that I play, but I bought it to test and to show you actual results, and well, to grow the channel a bit more since I have more data on more recent GPUs. And that's the thing that I'm doing right now, okay? By the way, before going into the video, just let me tell you right away that I was quite tired, so I made some mistakes in terms of spelling and in terms of several things, but I corrected them by editing the video, okay? So, thanks a lot. Let's go. Today's video sponsor is GGG Mall, where using my SKG discount code leads to a 25% off across several products, making a Windows 10 serial key only $16. After the payment, you'll receive the key in your account, and all you need to do is to introduce it in your Windows settings, and bam! You have an activated system. So guys, here we are now on the unboxing part, and well, why not start the unboxing cutting the box with this? Yes, instead of a knife, instead of something that actually cuts, I'm using this crap. Anyway, if the camera wants to focus. No, it doesn't. Anyway, on the front we have the SAPPHIRE logo, as you can see, because this is a SAPPHIRE version, and we have the AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. We have the HDMI, and damn, this is heavy. 24 gigabytes ray tracing, Radeon boost, Radeon anti-lag, and so on. Let me just adjust the... Yes, it's better now. Okay, Radeon anti-lag, and basically this is what you have. It's the SAPPHIRE, but it is the reference version, okay? I actually needed a card that was small enough to fit all my cases in order to test the CPUs, and that's why I got this one instead of getting the AIB model, sorry. Now, on the side, yeah, this is too close. This is actually too close, I can show you, but it says RDNA 3 architecture, 24 gigabytes, and basically that's it, SAPPHIRE and so on. On the other side, let me see if it is the same, or let me just put the camera a little bit away, because it's better. Yeah, it's better now. 7900 XTX, as usual, the SAPPHIRE logo. On the back, let's see what we have on the back. So, basically, Radeon RX 7900 XTX, once again. Product specifications, the system specifications as well. Then you have the advanced gaming with AMD RDNA 3 architecture, with record and stream, crisp and clear, elevate your game, high performance rendering, unified AMD performance, so it means that we actually get more performance when using a CPU as well, an AMD CPU, because we all need to use CPUs anyway. Brilliant color accuracy, and this is one of the things that AMD is actually better at, and if you have several NVIDIA and several AMD GPUs, you can actually notice that they have indeed better color quality and better color accuracy in most scenarios. And yeah, basically that's it. So let's start opening the GPU with this awesome tool that I found in the garbage, almost. Let me see what I get here. This is it. A normal card box as usual, nothing too awesome. I actually wanted to get the AMD version because the AMD version is really, really nice, but I couldn't actually get one, at least one that would actually reach my home, since I live in Portugal. So yeah, that was a bad thing, but maybe if AMD can send me one, I will have the AMD version, because it's so much better in my opinion. At least the box is so much better. In here we have the usual SAPPHIRE manual, SAPPHIRE graphics card, quick installation guide. Yeah, like anyone needs an installation guide for the graphics card. Anyway, as for the box, we have, what do we have? It's just so simple actually. You just have the the card, and basically that's it. Yeah, you just have the card. Yeah, just and simply the card, which is quite disappointing. I mean, you're paying premium, and it doesn't even matter that it is reference because you're paying premium. It should actually bring something besides the card, because you're paying premium once again, and it's just a normal card box with a card inside. The AMD box is just so much better with much more details and so on. Anyway, let's open and let's see the card. And damn, this looks fine. I'm not gonna lie to you. This looks fine. It's just awesome. I mean, it's premium once again, so the box should be premium, but I just really love how it looks. I mean, look at this. Full black. I'm not I need some sleep, I guess. Full black backplate saying just Radeon with some red stripes here. Not stripes, it's like the yeah, I need some sleep. Anyway, red, black. Once again, red close to the screws. Looks very nice. So clean and nice. I don't really know why they didn't present a cut here like the previous GPUs, but it damn looks nice. On the side, man, and that's where it actually looks way better. Look at this. Just full plain black with a red stripe, 2 red stripes, in this case 3. It's like they are growing or something. 3 red stripes. And it just looks so good. I mean, I can't really show you in the video how good it looks, but it does really look good. Great. So now I just adjusted the lighting a bit because it wasn't working very well for the video. As you see once again on the side, it is awesome. And then we have the Radeon logo once again here, the Radeon letters, not the logo. And as for the fans, yeah, it just looks great. Very nice. I believe that these panels that we have here have LEDs on the bottom, so this white stripe is filled with LEDs, which is nice. Instead of having the LEDs on the side where it says Radeon, I actually like to have LEDs on the Radeon letters instead of having the LED stripes, but well, it just looks damn fine, still damn fine. It's one of the best looking cards that I've ever seen from AMD. It just looks insane. And well, on the front it is exactly the same, so it is closed. You don't actually see the fins from the heatsink, okay, like you see on the side. On the front it's closed. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I really like to see the fins on the front of the card, but like I told you, it does not look bad, it actually looks pretty good. On the back, the part that you don't see when you use it on your computer, you have the side of the board here, also closed on the top and on the bottom, okay, so it looks pretty damn nice, as you can see, okay, it looks good. You have the connectors here for the RGB, I suppose, and for the fans, and then it is exactly the same as the other cards. As for the input connections, well, I believe that I was mistaken here because I thought that the backplate would be black. At least on the images, it was shown to be black, but once again, that's not the case, so it's kind of a bummer. I expected it to be black, and I'm a bit disappointed. But well, I can always take off the backplate and paint it black. That's probably what I'm gonna do. It doesn't look bad, but it has these letters, and then it has AMD Radeon, and I don't really like this. Sorry. I will just paint it black because it looks much better that way. I've seen it. And yeah, comparing the GPU to the other previous GPUs, okay, let's see, we have the 7900 XTX, then we have, for example, the 6800. As you see, the differences are big in between the two cards, 6800, 7900 XTX. I mean, they have to be different because the price tag is also completely different, but I won't lie, I do like the design of the previous GPUs as well, because we have several colors instead of just having the pure black, let's say. And here on the side we have the red from the Radeon, and the Radeon actually lights up, which is a thing that I also enjoy, okay? So instead of having the LEDs here, we have actually the LEDs on the Radeon words. But I do like the design. Both look great. Now, in terms of thickness, it's a completely different story, of course. It's not even comparable. I mean, it's comparable, but it's just too much difference. Let's see if you can see the difference. Okay, once again, 2 power connections in both cards, 6800 and 7900 XT, but the 7900 XT is just way thicker than the 6800. Still, if we look at the 6800 XT, it is also thicker than this card, so I do believe that in terms of thickness alone, the 6800 XT and the 6900 XT are basically the same. As I told you, on the previous cards, we actually had the back of the die cut, so it has airflow actually, and on the new cards it doesn't have airflow. Although it seems that the newer cards have way better heat dissipation than the older ones, so I don't know what they did, if the backplate this way actually helps, or if the backplate like the 6000 series is actually better and they did this just for aesthetics. I don't really know, but these cards in terms of thermals perform very well from what I've seen so far. But yeah, that's it. It looks great. Can't complain. The black and red stripes on the side just look very, very good. And the 2-pin power connection is also a nice thing for people that don't want to overclock. So far the card looks great. Let's see how it looks when turned on the computer. And well guys, that's all for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it if you can. And it was what it was. By the way, sorry because I made several mistakes. And mistakes happen when you're tired, and even more when you're not speaking your native language. That's one of the issues. Also because I keep thinking in Portuguese instead of thinking automatically in English, because that's my native language, Portuguese. Once again, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one.